Oh, hi. So, if you wanna know how to use the CS50 library on your phone, I'm gonna show you a way. The first thing you need is to download the library from GitHub. Now, tap where it says code, and then on download zip. Once you have the file, extract it. What you want is to have CS50.c and CS50.h inside the folder where your program lives. Next thing that you need is a compiler where you can open the terminal. I've been using this app, but you can use whatever you want. So now whenever you want to use this CS50 library, you have to declare it in double quotes. So now I'm gonna put cs50.h inside the double quotes. I'm gonna save my program and I'm gonna open the terminal. Here in the terminal, navigate to the folder where your program is. In my case will be cd download, cd hello, and we're gonna compile like this: clang, name of your program, in this case hello.c, and you have to also type cs50.c. Hit enter. Alright, that works. Now we're gonna run it like this: /a.out if you didn't rename your file, and then you will add command line arguments. Okay, what's your name? We put your name and okay. Now I know this is not my usual content, but I just want to share because when I start I didn't know how to do it. But yeah, thanks for watching.